Did you know you can own a brand new home here in Fairway Park? Well, you can, and it's located here at 31993 Medinah Street, and it was just completed a few weeks ago. So let's take a look at the inside of this brand new home. Your brand new Fairway Park home features brand new roof, a brand new furnace, brand new windows, brand new electrical subpanels, brand new doors, brand new floors, brand new fences, brand new everything. Welcome home. Imagine yourself in your brand new Fairway Park home, entertaining family and friends alike. For more information, feel free to contact me, Jose Diaz, your favorite realtor, at 510-912-4519. Make it a great day.